Geometry Around the World
by Denez and Gabriella.
We're first traveling to the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France.
As you can see in the Eiffel Tower, there are many intersecting lines. In the highlighted area, there are isosceles triangles which make up vertical angles. Now we travel to the Tower of Pisa in Pisa, Italy.
The Tower of Pisa is slanted, which makes the two angles different degrees. The angle on the right is acute and the angle on the left is obtuse. These angles are supplementary because they add up to 180 degrees. This makes them a linear pair. Now we are traveling to Machu Picchu, Peru.
At Machu Picchu, the steps leading up the mountain are right angles. Now we travel to the Big Ben Clock Tower in London, England.
There is a square shape surrounding the circular clock of Big Ben. The circumference is the perimeter of the clock, and the radius, the length from the midpoint to the edge, is half the diameter. Now we are traveling to Blue Mosque in Istanbul, Turkey. The columns outside of the Blue Mosque make perpendicular lines.
Inside the Blue Mosque, the arches and the ceiling domes are concave. Now we travel to the Egyptian pyramids.
The blue arrow points out the angle bisector. The pyramid has 5 vertices and 4 equilateral triangles. Now we are traveling to Manhattan, New York City.
The crosswalks in the intersection form both parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Also, the middle of the intersection forms a rectangle, which means that each corner is a right angle. Now we will be traveling to the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California.
The two triangles that make a square add up to 90 degrees, which makes them complementary angles. The column and the roadway intersect to form perpendicular lines. The whole bridge is a line segment. Now we are traveling to the Dubai Towers in Dubai.
These structures are non-polygons. They are not polygons because they have curved edges that aren't line segments.
There's geometry everywhere in the world.